Cherry.
So good morning, Brad and Squeeze.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Congrats on your new studio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And have a happy holiday to you and your family.
Well, thank you so much. Alrighty. So my question goes like this, and if it sounds like I'm reading, I am, because
Okay.
I wanted to just get it in properly. So I came here 24 years ago, came through Canada, went on the CSS versus MEAS program, but was not successful in the end, was not granted the green card.
You came
'Cause I couldn't-
24 years ago.
Yes.
Okay,
So-
well, all right. Well, finish, and then I'll tell you about CSS versus MEAS and everything else. Okay, continue.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So my daughter turns 21 next year, and I wanted to know if she's someone who can file for me without me leaving the country. She's in college. She's on a full scholarship.
Okay.
So I'm trying to find out if I can remain here
understand
while
that.
she files.
Okay. Now, you came here through Canada, you said. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and when you got the CSS versus MEAS, did you ever get a work permit from that?
Yes, I did.
And did you ever get a travel document from that?
Well, I didn't request one, but they told me I could have gotten one.
But you never got it or traveled or anything?
You never traveled.
Okay.
I stayed put and worked.
And in the 21 years you've been here, other than the CSS versus MEAS application you did, which we'll explain to everybody in a second what that is, did you ever do anything else with immigration?
Not at all.
Not at all. All right. So you entered without inspection. Do you have parents here?
Don't have parents here.
Did you ever have parents here?
No.
Do you have a spouse here? Did you ever have a spouse here?
I had a spouse here, but we're divorced.
Did he ever file for you?
No, he didn't.
Okay. And is your daughter thinking about the military by any chance?
She's not thinking about the military at all.
Okay.
She's on a full scholarship.
Okay,
She's
fine.
gonna.
All right. So the answer is, unfortunately, because you entered without inspection, you can't adjust your status here unless you had something filed other than a CSS versus MEAS application before April 30th, 2001. You could have gotten a travel document. Had you traveled on the advance parole and come back, now you made a legal entry, then your daughter could have adjusted your status. You can't go back home for a provisional waiver, because if you go back home for a provisional waiver, you got nobody to do it, because you need a parent or a spouse to do that. So you have issues. As far as the CSS versus MEAS, that was a late amnesty application. You had to prove you were here in 1982, took a short trip abroad between 86 and 88, and as a result, you didn't get the amnesty during the Reagan era. Okay. Now, you told me you came 24 years ago, so you weren't here in 1982, which is why, obviously, your CSS versus MEAS application got denied. But unfortunately, based on what you told me, off the top of my head, it doesn't sound like you're going to be able to get your green card through your daughter. Now, that doesn't mean you can't get your green card. That means you're completely can't be helped. You've been here for 24 years. I think it's worthwhile for you to make an appointment to come see me, and let's talk further.
Definitely.
Can I ask you another question?
Sure.
If a person like me leaves the country to go back home, will I be blocked for 10 years?
Yes.
Is there a bond?
No, you're blocked for 10 years.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, hold on one
You're
second.
ready.
Hold
And
on.
then what happens after the 10-year, Brad?
Then she could apply for a visa, but good luck getting one.
Yeah, because
She's lived here illegally for 24 years.
Precisely.
They're just going to turn
So
her down.
a lot of folks think
so
that,
basically you're blocked for life.
Yeah, people say, I'm barred. Yeah, you're barred from applying
Right.
for 10 years.
Right.
But after you apply after
Right.
10 years, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get it.
Well, there's our Hanukkah menorahs.
Yes.
I wonder if we can change. Maybe we can get some snow again, or a Santa picture.
Yeah.
Right? All right, let's go to Kevin in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Kevin.
Kevin, what's up?
Yeah.
How are you?
Morning, Brandon.
Morning.
I'm good.
What's going on?
I'm here. I would like to ask a question.
Yeah.
My wife, after we got married, like 2 months after, she got locked up. So can I still go ahead and file my papers?
Why did she get locked up?
She was on probation, so she violated her probation
With you or with somebody else?
with somebody else. No.
Okay, now is she out of jail?
No, she won't be out until 2019.
Well, she can certainly file for you, but you're going to get an interview and she's not going to show up, and you're going to have to hope that they extend the interview through 2019 when she gets out of jail and gets back and reunited with you.
Okay.
All right, so that's something you got to, think about and talk about, the pros and cons of doing that. Because if you show up and say, my wife's in jail, the immigration officer could always say, okay, she didn't show up, denied, and now you're potentially put in deportation. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to get deported as long as you can prove it's a bona fide marriage. But, there's pros and cons of doing it because you don't know the immigration officer you're going to come across. All right, it's so discretionary. So hold on one second, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Wow, look at all those images that they have behind.
Yeah. Oh, that's Saks Fifth Avenue there.
If I didn't know better, I would
Right.
think that they
That's
actually went
Rockefeller
out
Center.
and actually shot that.
Yeah, that's
themselves.
Rockefeller Center.
Yeah, it's
Right.
beautiful.
Way
man.
to go.
I gotta go. See
Way
the
to
truck.
go, team! Go, team!
They're really working out.
Go,
there.
Brad and Squeeze team.
Yeah.
All right.
pretty
By
cool.
the way, everybody, please leave your questions on our Facebook page because in about 2 or 3 minutes,
Yeah, I was
we're going to be
about-
going to our social media queen,
Kim Moore?
Kim Moore, in our social media room to answer your immigration questions on our last show of the year, the Christmas Spectacular for Brad and Squeeze. I love saying it's not nothing that we're doing so spectacular, although I think it's pretty spectacular. We got the Christmas decorations going, we got the sorrel going,
Right, right.
Got lots more little Christmas goodies coming up.
Right.
Let's go to John in Far Rockaway. John. John.
Yes.
How are
Hello.
you? How are you?
Thank you. And you?
Good,
Thank
good.
you.
What's up?
Yes. My question is, I have a friend of mine. He's a resident alien. He got married last January, and he filed for his wife in July. Any idea how long she should be received
Where's the wife?
in Haiti?
The wife's in Haiti. Did he get the I-130 approved?
Excuse me?
Did he get the I-130 approved? That was the sorrel. The rum from the sorrel,
no.
excuse me.
Saruman.
Saruman. Did, the I-130 hasn't been approved in over a year already?
No, I mean, we filled the papers in July. So
July.
how long does it...
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you're going to take 7-8 months for the I-130 to get approved. Everything's just slowing down. This Donald Trump has slowed everything down. I think he's doing it on purpose. All right, because there's no reason why everything should slow down. All right, but that's what it is. So just hang in there, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, thank
And
you.
have some sorrow.
And have some sorrel. All right.
All right.
Next Christmas, your wife will be here. Trust me, I promise.
1-800-529-5465. Can we take one more question and we
Let's
head
go
to
one more
the social media
question.
check-in?
Let's go one more question. So
Shares, people, shares. We want to see more
Okay.
shares. We're nowhere near there.
We got
yet.
Nikki in Eatontown, New Jersey.
Nikki and NJ.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, morning. I'm all
Morning.
right.
How are you?
Good.
Good. My question is, my sister have her interview today at 2, but she don't have anyone to watch her baby. She was wondering if she could take the baby.
Yes.
He's almost
Absolutely.
okay.
Take the baby.
Thank you very much.
Take the baby. No problem.
Yes.
All right.
All right. Love you, Brad.
Okay, thank
Please.
you.
All right, darling.
Thank
Take
you
care.
very much.
All right.
Merry Christmas. Paul, Paul.
Yes, Brad. Good
How are
morning.
you?
I'm fine.
What's up?
I got 2 questions.
Go ahead.
One, my green card is expired. Can I be deported?
No.
Secondly, am I gonna have like an employment problem?
Yes.
Okay.
I love yes and no questions. Come see me. Hold on one second.
1-800-529-5465. Very, very, very important.
Let's go to Gavin in Queens also. Queens is big today.
Huge.
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 Huge. Gavin,
Yes.
what's up?
Yes, good morning. I would like to know if I have a disorderly conduct charge, if that will affect my condition to remove application.
What kind of charge do you have?
Disorderly.
Disorderly conduct
disorderly.
will not affect it.
Will not affect it.
No. To remove the conditions,
All
no.
right.
All right, good luck with that. Hold on if you need
All right,
help.
thanks.
Hold on. All right, let's go to Kay in Tampa, Florida. Kay,
Hello.
how are you, Kay?
I'm doing good.
What's up?
Okay, what's up?
Okay. So, my husband is American citizen, and he filed for me, and I was approved, and then after, because they said the way how I came here, they denied. So now he filed a waiver, and waiver approved. Do I have to go back home to?
What was the how did you come to the United States?
I'm undocumented.
Okay, so I assume he did a provisional waiver for you.
Yes.
Okay, now if you go back home, they're going to ask you, how did you come here? And you're going to say,
Yes.
undocumented. And then they're going to say, what do you mean undocumented? Give me a better explanation of what you mean by undocumented. And if somebody drove you across the border from Canada, or you ran across the border from Mexico, or you jumped out of a plane over Nebraska, or you walked off a boat in Miami, any way to get to America without showing a fraudulent document, then you're fine. If you say, yes, I came here undocumented. I got on a plane from Kingston, Jamaica to JFK. When I got off on JFK, although my name is Kay, I showed them that my name is Stacy.
Yeah.
And then they're going to say, okay, denied for misrepresentation, then you need a second waiver.
And it can happen.
Okay.
They can get that.
So you need, you can, but you have to understand that second waiver, you won't know whether you'll get that or not until you get home. So the
Right.
provisional waiver is
Okay,
a very safe thing for people who entered America without flashing a fraudulent document. Once you flash the fraudulent document, and I kind of hear it in her voice when she said undocumented.
Right,
Okay, so if
right.
I hear it, everybody hears it. So once you share, once you flash a fraudulent document, now you need two waivers. You need the provisional waiver here, and then you need a second waiver back home. So that's something you need to discuss with a very good lawyer
Well-
before you leave. So hold on one second, okay?
Okay, well,
Hold
I
on. Go.
came.
What? What?
Hello?
Yeah, listen.
Yep.
I'm listening.
Okay. Yeah, well, I came here on a boat,
On
so.
a boat. Okay, as long as you didn't flash a
To
fraudulent,
Miami.
as long as you didn't show a fake document, you got on the boat hit the beach, and you went running like a deer in headlights. Well, no, you wouldn't be running like a deer in headlights. You'd be running like a cheetah, okay, off the boat, and you made it here. Then that's fine.
Okay.
All right, hold on. I think you're going to need help, though. Okay, so hold on one second. You don't go without speaking to a really good lawyer to make sure you're coming back. Hold on one second.